Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Vista Academy of Visual and Performing Arts, located in Vista, California, part of the Vista Unified School District. My first time getting to speak here, getting to visit the students and staff of the AM/PM program, the after-school program here. We had two programs today, two assemblies in the gymnasium, and the main focus was on leadership, turning our passion into our purpose, right? What we're really good at, the things that we love to do, making that a way that we can help others, right? And that's our purpose for being here on this earth, and to already get the wheels turning at a young age, that's huge. I wear this shirt for the assembly, different colors with the peace sign, because the design that my friend and I came up with a few years ago was to really focus on the fact that there's so many different ways to be a leader. There's no wrong way, there's no right way, right? Some of us are more vocal, lead with our voice like I do, I speak. Some of us are more quiet, and we lead with our actions, right, by example. And as long as we are doing it in a positive way, then that's what we're called to do here on this planet, and really start to make a difference, because this world needs more positive leadership. And so it's so amazing that so many students that come up to me after and say, Mr. Peace, I love reading, I love basketball, I love to sing, and they're already looking for ways that they can maybe use that talent to go and help someone else, right? So my passion is speaking in hip hop, rap music, and I put those together with my purpose for school assemblies, really trying to help our young people and even our older adults, understand their worth, their value, that they have this power as leaders. And that starts with understanding this concept too. All of us with the lines on our hands have the letter M, right? We have at least one on each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects. I traced one of mine here. This M stands for miracle. Upside down W stands for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love, to both give it and receive it. But we have to buy into this concept, right? We have to understand this. And we have to know that we want to think about what we want to be remembered for. Our legacy, which is hopefully like someone's helping hands. We talked about that today in the assembly. We also talked about being like a bowling ball, someone that has strong character, that isn't really affected by any negative peer pressure, right? That they're going to still do the right thing, even though maybe the right thing isn't always popular. They still know that they can do the right thing even when no one's watching, and that they're going to do things not just for a trophy, for awards, but just doing them again because they're heavy on the heart and because they make a difference, right? Just one small action can make a huge difference, like the story of the starfish that we talked about. And so through other heartfelt stories and some inspirational videos, some positive music, I was able to reinforce, those key points of leadership today. And I think the students really took that home, really took it to heart. And it was just a beautiful afternoon, getting to talk with them and getting to share my heart. So have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again soon. As always, though, feel free to hit the subscribe button. You'll see it pop up on the screen. You can also visit this playlist below for some additional motivation. And you can also visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.